For $6, I managed to get 3,000 likes from Instagram. Never click this button. Never, ever. I'm making this video because you need to know whether or not Instagram promotions are worth it or not. And in this video, you will learn the answer by checking my Instagram promotion results by clicking the promote button or via Facebook ads, comparing those, A/B testing them, and also some client results. Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding and growing on Instagram, so if you're new, consider subscribing. And also, while you're at it, grab a cup of coffee because you, my friend, are awesome, and also in my free 0 to 10K followers guide that you can grab in the description down below. Okay, so rule of thumb, let's start with this. Never use the Instagram promote button. So I'm on my Dr. Nikki profile, I click on a post, right? Never click this button. Never ever click this button. It's a bad idea, but look at this photo. It got 3K likes. How much did it cost me to get 3K likes from Instagram with the promotion button? I'll show you. In here, it says this is completed. It cost me 26 cents per click, 23 link clicks. For $6, I managed to get 3,000 likes from Instagram. Look at that, 15K reach. Again, $6 spent. So these are the results. But you might be thinking, well, okay, so that's like $2 per 1,000 likes. So 10K likes will be $20. How do I do that? I don't get these kind of results. But there's a few things that you should consider when doing that. The first thing is, and I'll go over because I want to help you out, I'll go over my whole ad set. If we go here and I click edit, I want to show you the settings, the audience that I was targeting to get results like this. Potential reach 1 billion people. The bigger the reach, normally the cheaper the results. And I got this by mainly focusing on a worldwide audience, all genders, all ages. And I let Instagram decide what is the best fit for this piece of content. This is the best practice you can do. If you targeted niches, stuff like that, without the product, just to promote the page, it's not a really good result. And I have a few clients, I decided not to show them because I don't want to embarrass them, that ran some ads that are really bad. Okay, I might do that. But in the last 18 days, they spent 1.1K and this was their goal, and on some posts they would spend like $300 and the results are not good. I can tell you that they are not good. The reason was they decided on their own to promote some stuff via their promote button or to a targeted audience for something that's not a product. They will not be monetizable and they just wanted engagement on it. So again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. If you want me or my agency to run your Facebook ads, DM me on Instagram at drnikki.co. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and I can also shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username down below. We've got a few shout out winners from this video, and normally they just come out of this jar. See you next one. Check one of these videos out. Now, no, I really mean it. This is the video that YouTube is recommending to you, and YouTube knows everything you're doing when no one else is watching. Click it. Bye.